Hello everyone, I am SK Tiwari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and be safe and your weather also good. And today I am going to morning walk and I daily going to morning walk and I daily say to all of you always going to morning walk and morning walk is good for our health. And today I am going to running with my uncle and I daily going to running and I daily say to all of you always going to running, and running is good for our health. And I always support physical work and I say to all of you always doing physical work, and physical work is good for our body fitness. And today I am going to doing my exercise with my friends, and I always doing to exercise, and exercise is good for our body shape. And present time body shape is most important for boys and girls. And today I am going to play cricket with my friends and I like cricket. And today I am going to cycling with my friends and I enjoy to my life with my friends and family. And I say to all of you always enjoy to your life, your friends and family. And today I am talking about tractor driving. And tractor driving is hard work and it is very हार्ड वर्क। एंड दोस्तों, ट्रैक्टर ड्राइविंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क है और इसको हमें ऊंचे और नीचे में चलाना होता है, तो इसी वजह से इसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा संभाल कर चलाना पड़ता है, ड्राइव करना पड़ता है। तो हमें ट्रैक्टर ड्राइवर के हार्ड वर्क को हमेशा ही समझना है और उसका कभी भी किसी की भी बेइज्जती नहीं करना है और उसके हार्ड वर्क को सपोर्ट करना है और किसी को भी डिमोटिवेट नहीं करना है और हमेशा ही अपने से छोटों का आदर करना है। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। थैंक यू।